Welcome back. Let's talk about the skincare itself that will help get your skin clear. Now, there are lots of things that will help, hundreds of ingredients, in fact, but we want to focus on a handful for our discussion. The actives that we talk about are primarily mandelic acid, salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, vitamin A or retinols, and SPF. Remember those four drivers: inflammation, sticky skin, excess oil, and bacteria, which lead to acne. And of course, we want to stop that whole cascade, stop it, and allow your skin to heal. So we start with salicylic acid. Now, salicylic acid is derived from wintergreen and willow trees. It is an extremely common ingredient. It's in lots of our food, naturally occurring. And in skincare, it will exfoliate rough skin. It does help to kill bacteria and ultimately will improve the appearance of pores. But the thing that's really special about salicylic acid is that it travels right through oil. It is lipophilic, means it doesn't separate. It's not like oil and water separate. Well, oil and salicylic go together. It's fine. So because it will travel through the oil, it can actually go into the pore and break the biofilm that is created by the acne bacteria. That is a big deal. And if you don't know what a biofilm is, if you've ever touched like a dish where for like a water dish for an animal, like your pets, your cats, your dogs, and sometimes there's a slimy feel to it if you missed a day or so, that slimy sensation is biofilm. It's what the bacteria use to protect themselves. And that's exactly what acne bacteria do in your skin. They create a biofilm to protect them from your own immune system and from outside influences like acne treatments. But salicylic acid breaks that biofilm and allows the actives to get in and destroy the bacteria. So another ingredient is mandelic acid. This is derived from almonds. However, it contains no almond proteins. Mandelic acid is a total game changer. We've been using it since maybe 2011. And when I started using it, I couldn't believe how amazing it was. Let me just tell you, it's a game changer. It is antimicrobial, so it does kill bacteria. It's also antifungal, so it kills fungus. It specifically helps to lighten dark spots. So that's pigmentation, whether that's pigmentation left over from an itch or a scratch, but specifically it helps with the pigmentation left over from acne blemishes. So it will help speed up that healing. And as an extra bonus, it helps to improve elasticity. So it does help firm the skin. It's a great ingredient to include in an anti-aging routine. Next, we have benzoyl peroxide, which you might roll your eyes and go, oh, I've tried that before. It doesn't work. Well, I'm here to tell you that you probably didn't use it the right way. Now, benzoyl peroxide is powerful. Yes, it kills bacteria and it reduces inflammation, but it also peels the inside of the pore. So remember we talked about the pore getting blocked and clogged with sticky skin? Benzoyl peroxide will break up that clog. It will peel it off in a normal way. So because of that, because it also kills bacteria, it will speed the clearing of blemishes. Retinols, which is basically just a form of vitamin A, really, really important for healthy skin. It can reduce inflammation, normalizing cell turnover, which helps that sticky skin, normalizes oil, so it helps so that you don't have too much oil in your skin. It is a great way to disrupt the acne cascade, and it can lighten dark spots. However, it can also increase inflammation. If your skin is already inflamed and you put a retinol on it, it can actually make it worse temporarily. Doesn't mean you can't use it. You just have to be very careful how you use it. We can show you how to do that. So remember, inflammation, sticky skin, oil, and bacteria. This is just a little visual on how some of these can help. Mandelic helps with inflammation, sticky skin, bacteria. Each one is very important, but not a single one does everything. That's why we use multiple ingredients. The most important thing you can do, however, is wear sunscreen. Sunscreen actually protects your skin from solar radiation. And solar radiation is what causes long-term damage. It's what creates more inflammation. It's what triggers your skin to become cystic. It is what makes your skin more likely to scar and gives you dark spots. And it's mostly responsible for sun damage and aging. So wearing sunscreen can prevent all of those problems. And besides that, it prevents sunburn, which is also a nice little bonus. And it can add, if you're using the right formula, it can also add some hydration. So you've learned about how acne happens, and you've learned about some of the active products, but that's not all there is to it. There's a whole lot of other factors, including your lifestyle, stress levels, sleep, and diet, and a few other things that can have a strong effect on how or whether or not your skin gets clear. Consistency with your home care is absolutely key. Your skin will not get clear if you're only using products occasionally. And you don't want to use anything else on your skin. If you decide to work with us, we'll give you a program and tell you specifically what to use specifically for your skin, like what's going to clear your skin. Not all acne is the same. Not everyone's skin is the same. If you're going to be serious about getting your skin clear, you need to be consistent. A small analogy. You can go to your dentist and get your teeth cleaned every month. Wouldn't that be wonderful? I'm a little bit of a dentist nerd, so I like my teeth cleaned. However, if I didn't brush my teeth and floss every single day and only had my teeth done once a month, how do you think my mouth would be? I don't even want to think about it. That's gross. But it's the same kind of thing with your skin. If you're not washing your skin on a regular basis, not overwashing, but just washing it and using your products consistently, you're not going to get the results that you desire. And when you're working with a professional, the most important thing is we're going to strengthen your routine every 2 weeks. The idea is to get your skin slowly adapted so you don't get excessive dryness or pain or flare-ups or such, but gently move your skin forward. So to do that and actually get that clear result, we have to go slowly and strengthen every 2 weeks. It's not hard once you get started.